Let's see it inside. This is the entrance. It's very cozy and it's homely. Here you have a dining room. There is plenty of natural light with the double windows. The current owner decided to keep the old wooden shutters because they created this cozy and authentic atmosphere. But outside there is another window, so in reality you have a double glazed window. So the furniture are all included, apart from some piece of furniture that they are family items. And the doors are quite beautiful, in my opinion. They are all French door, very well kept, recently painted. This one has a nice glass. And here we have the kitchen. This is the working area, the ceramic sink, and again double exposure. And this is a very beautiful fireplace. This fireplace, it's very large and they use it as a wood burning stove. Next to it you also have the wood burning oven to cook bread, pizza, also meat if you like it. The kitchen has direct viewing on the garden. And the barn belongs to the property. It's possible to use the barn as a storage space, or it's possible to make a new roof and use it as an extra living space. Let's go to the living room. This is the living room. This room has a beautiful original cotto floor, and it's the original floor that the house had since the time it was built. And again, on this corner, there is another wood burning stove. The beauty of this room is that it has direct access to the outdoor space, to the garden space. And this is the garden area. But let's walk again inside the house. Let's go to see the rest of the house. Here you have a beautiful bathroom with a tub. And here a laundry room. This room is used as a laundry, but also as a storage space. It's a very handy room, and it has direct access to the outside the space. And this is the cellar. Down here there is a cellar as large as the ground floor. Let's go to see the upstairs. I really like this pink, dark pink on the stairs. It's very unusual. And here we are on the upper floor. one of the 2 bedrooms. The master bedroom. A little cozy sitting space and a guest room. The gem of this house is the terrace. Let's come to see it. Well, I think that this terrace is not just a terrace. I think this is an outdoor living space because you will really spend many hours on this part of the house in spring, in summer, during fall, and from this location, from this armchair, there is a beautiful view in front of me, which is the Maiella. This is the garden. Here is where the fence starts. What is special about this garden is that it's completely flat. It's not common to have a flat piece of land like this here in Abruzzo. There are 10 olive trees and they are a quite good type of olives, very big. So they are not for olives, but to eat. As you can see, they are almost ready now. This is the barn that can be converted or can be used as a storage space. And this is the rest of the garden. It would be possible to build a swimming pool, for example, here. It's flat, it would be perfect for a pool. So it is a beautiful house, almost 250 square meters of livable space, 700 square meter garden plus the barn. It's on the market for €130,000.